How to turn on or off mono audio on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. Go to the Hearing section at the top and tap on Audio and Visual. Here, locate mono audio with a switch on the right side. To turn it on, tap on the mono audio switch so the control moves to the on position and the color turns green. Tap on Turn on again to confirm. The left and right channels are now combined, sending the same audio to both ears. To turn it off, tap on the same switch again so it moves back to the off position and the color turns gray. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily turn on or off mono audio on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.